Businesses have struggled to tell their story since the beginning of time. But what if we told you that you could finally get folks to listen with a top-notch video for bottom dollar? You'd probably call us crazy, but here's the thing. Since 2013, we've been baking delicious whiteboard animations that make audiences go wow. Seriously, it's an unavoidable side effect of using Inspire Studios.
Wow.
Whether you're a dentist, doula, dinosaur dressmaker, or digital DJ, we'll get you going with a niche script that targets your industry to a T. Once you give the green light, we'll turn your story into a compelling video that inspires people to take action. That's the thing about well-made explainer videos. They tap into people's humanity, using a winning mix of visuals and music to pull on heartstrings and boost conversions. So go ahead, order your video with Inspire Studios today.